So sometimes we'll be recording vocals in places that are unacoustically treated with a lot of background noise, but still want to have a clean, crisp vocal that sounds good in the final product. Use headphones and listen to just how much background noise there is in this one vocal.
I was in your bitch, fucking chair. Said she love my drip. I don't really care. Dripping let it sink. Yeah, we not a pair. I just hit a leak.
As you can tell, that's a very good vocal take from Ted Revision. Only problem is that background noise. If you had headphones, you could clearly hear that, and this would be a problem for us in the final stages of the mixing. Listen to it one more time so you can clearly hear it and know exactly what you want to get rid of.
I was in your bitch, fucking chair. Said she love my drip. I don't really care. Dripping let it sink. Yeah, we not a pair. I just hit a leak.
Very good take, but that background noise. So first thing you need to do is just isolate that noise profile in the beginning, and you do that just by highlighting it within Edison. The next thing you do is just find this icon which is conveniently marked as a broom to clean up that noise profile. So what we're doing now is using this plugin to get the sonic fingerprint of the background noise so we can take it out from all other vocal recordings going forward. After we can deselect that noise profile and then go back to the cleanup feature, and as you can see, we'll have our noise profile loaded within the plugin. And all you can do before clicking accept is use this amount knob to determine just how much of the noise reduction we want. More is going to sound a bit more, of course, artificial, and less will sound a bit more natural. Keep it in the middle for a balance effect and listen to the preview so you can determine if this is the right amount for you. If you're happy with the results, next thing to do is just press accept, and this will lock in your cleanup and load it into Edison. Now we can listen to it back and listen to just how clean the vocal sounds now.
I was in your bitch, fucking chair. Said she love my drip. I don't really care. Dripping let it sink. Yeah, we not a pair. I just hit a leak.
So as you can tell, no more background noise. This will result in a much more cleaner sound in the final product, which will make it easier for you to mix and much easier to make the clients happy.